5 future plumbers of America. Come on this way.
My name's Max Hicks. I'm the owner of Reliant Plumbing. I've been plumbing since I was 16, so that started in 2000.
Did anybody take a shower this morning, or you took a shower? Was it hot or cold?
Oh,
Here, hold that. And look at this plumbing truck pulling up right now. Look at this truck right now.
Yeah, there was a lot of moments I was kind of blown away by the kids. We asked them, have they ever had a plumbing emergency? And there were so many kids that wanted to explain the plumbing emergency. And it was funny, it was a lot of the kids, they were like, and Mom came in and saved the day.
This is Tion. Everybody say hi to Tion. Christian. Who else do we have? Oh, we got Christian here. Look at that. So, you know, we're all kinds of plumbers here. We got Shannon. Watch this, guy. Ow! And what happens to the water when you flush it? Where does it go?
sewer.
It goes in the sewer, that's right.
I hope they remember that plumbers are superheroes and they save the day a lot. You know, there's something else to do besides, you know, sit in a desk and do that type of work.
And make sure you got hot water with the red pipe, cold water with the blue pipe, right? Red pipe is for hot. Blue pipe is for cold water. That's right. There you go.
There's nobody going into trades right now. There's a very big demand for trades. And you can make a lot of money, and there's kids that can't go to college. They can't sit down in a desk, and that's what they can do is go out and work with their hands.
It won't come off. Pull on that. It won't come off. You're the strongest one?
No, I am.
Hopefully after doing a bunch of these events, 20 years from now, there's a kid that comes and finds me and says, thank you for guiding me towards plumbing.